Hey y'all, welcome to another Bug of the Month series for February 2026. Today we're going to be talking about ladybugs, otherwise known as ladybirds or lady beetles. Ladybugs are members of the Coccinellidae family in the order Coleoptera. Coleopterans are separated from other insects because they have chewing mouth parts known as mandibles, and they have elytra, which are basically the forewings hardened off into a shell. The elytra on ladybugs tend to have either spotting or bright colors, which is one of their more reputable features. In Florida, there are about 105 different species of ladybugs that have 3 different feeding habits. The first habit is going to be a pesty type of ladybug that will feed off of plants and other crops that we might grow. Then there's innocuous feeding habits, which ladybugs or lady beetles that will feed off of fungus. And then we have the predaceous lady beetles, which are going to feed off of mites and other insects. Within those 105 species of South Florida, about 75 species will feed off of scale insects, and about 13 of those species will feed off of aphids. Ladybugs that feed off of aphids here are typically larger, faster, and lay eggs in clusters, while ladybugs that feed off of scale insects are going to move slower, live longer, and lay eggs singly. Not all of those 105 species that are here in Florida are native. Some of them have been introduced for biological control reasons, and others have hitched a ride through globalization. The life cycle of a ladybug is going to consist of 4 stages. You have the egg phase, the larval phase, which typically has about 4 instars, the pupal phase, and the adult phase. The larvae look vastly different than an adult ladybug, so make sure you study up on how they look so you're not knocking them off if you start seeing them in your garden. Within those 3 feeding habits that we just went over, the pesty ones are going to be causing problems in your garden by eating your plants. Innocuous and predaceous ladybugs are going to be beneficial to your garden by controlling fungus and other pesty insects. So if you see any ladybugs in your garden, make sure you snap a picture, tag Driftwood so we can see what you're dealing with. And thanks for watching. Stay tuned for next Bug of the Month.